Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, the big twist in the story. According to the latest news, Samsung takes a bold move to dominate the AI smartphone market, using only Snapdragon chips, while the next foldables remain with Exynos chipsets. Yes, next year, Samsung Galaxy S25 smartphones will only use Snapdragon chips, but the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 will get Samsung's own Exynos chipset. The network has new cold and hot stuff, and many other exciting details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung Electronics is making a decisive move to assert its dominance in the AI phone market by exclusively using Qualcomm's Snapdragon processors for its upcoming Galaxy S25 series. This marks a shift from the strategy used for the Galaxy S24, which employed both Samsung's own Exynos and Qualcomm's Snapdragon chips. Industry experts view this as a strategic play by Samsung to outpace competitors like Apple and major Chinese brands by focusing on top-tier performance. There's been a lot of back and forth in the past few months regarding the chipsets that will power Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 family, due to launch most likely in January. First, we heard that it would be an Exynos-only affair, and then two separate reports told us to expect Snapdragon everywhere. Now another rumor from Samsung's home of Korea confirms the Snapdragon win. The Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra will all allegedly use Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 globally. This has apparently been done to maximize the performance of the S25 series. The Exynos 2500 will instead be used in the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, which will be released in the second half of next year. That's an interesting twist, as the foldables have so far relied on Snapdragon chipsets. Until they come out, Samsung will have time to improve the yield and stabilize the performance of the new Exynos chip. By keeping the Exynos 2500 for foldable phones, Samsung can tap into the unique look and features of these devices, which attract a different part of the market. This lets Samsung improve its chip tech while staying strong with Qualcomm's Snapdragon in the high-end segment. The foldable phone market is growing, and Samsung's lead in this area gives it a key spot to show off the power of its Exynos chips without going head-to-head with the top-end models that use Snapdragon. The next biggest official launch from Samsung is coming early next year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.